Greetings, library patrons. My name is Jeff. I'm with the York County Library, your community link, and in this video, we are going to continue taking a look at OverDrive, specifically how to get audiobooks, download them, and listen to them, as well as taking a look at their extensive help section. Now, you should be logged into your OverDrive account already. If not, you'll want to do that. And once you're logged in, you'll go over to the collections menu, click on that. And just like the ebooks menu, the audiobooks menu is divided by different themes. You can check out all of these themes, and I would encourage you to look at what's included in those. Right now we're going to focus on available now so that we can check something out right away. And just like the ebooks, they are sorted by popularity according to library patrons. We can go down and look at what's available. A Gentleman in Moscow is a popular title. We'll click on that. And I'm going to click on Borrow. And just like the ebooks, you can see I've got 14 days or 7 days. I'm not going to change that. I'm going to click on Borrow. And I have two options. I can download the MP3 audiobook, or I can listen in my browser. When I download the MP3 audiobook, what I'll want to do then is, if I'm on my home computer, I'll want to transfer it to my device. And that's just a matter of connecting your device to your computer and copying or just moving it from one to the other. I do want to caution you, it does say MP3 audiobook, but I found there are some MP3 players that will not play these audiobooks. But I can promise you that both Libby and the OverDrive app will play them. So it's best just to install those, and you won't have to worry about finding something that'll play them. If you want to listen in the browser, it's pretty straightforward. You click on Listen Now in Browser. It opens a new tab, and you can see it's just a straightforward player. You can click play.
Penguin Random House Audio presents.
And it starts right away. There's a menu over here of settings. There's not much to it. There's some tips and secrets, but it's basically a very basic player if you want to listen to it on your computer. We're going to get out of that, and we want to take a look at the help section because it's a great help section. One of the best that I've seen for a website like this. If you go up to the upper right, you'll see the help link there. You want to click on that and it brings up the help page. Now you can always do a search here or click with Getting Started. That's probably the best way to go about it. Read under Getting Started. You can pick your device, and if it's a Kindle, you can get started with the OverDrive app or borrowing Kindle books from your library. If you click on that, it's going to ask you what your library books look like on the OverDrive app, and ours look like this. And so you would go down here and just read. It's a step-by-step guide. You can see how that works. Up under categories, if you click on ebooks or audiobooks, since we're doing audiobooks today, we'll click on that. You can see each one of these has extensive tutorials underneath. So it's a very deep and well thought out help site, and you'll want to use this if you have questions. Of course, you can always use the contact us link on our homepage and email us your question. But I can almost promise you, if your question is about OverDrive, we are going to direct you right back to this help site, to the appropriate place to answer your question, because that's where we go when we have questions. And trust me, it's an excellent site. If you have a specific question about your device, you can see there, and they even have video tutorials that you can click on if you want to watch Libby and how that works and how to get it downloaded and installed. So it's a great help site, and I would encourage you to explore it. As with all things new, exploring will open up a whole new world to you. All right, that's our tutorial on OverDrive and audiobooks and the help site. I hope you'll tune in for our next video. We're going to do a video on RB Digital. In the meantime, keep using our virtual library, all those wonderful resources, and stay safe. And we'll see you next time.